NICE Thor 1500 kilograms sliding initial startup and connection check. Step 1. Power up the control unit. Check there is approximately 24 vac between terminal 8 and terminal 9. Step 2. Look at the OK LED. It will flash quickly a few times first. Then it must flash at regular intervals. 1 flash per second means normal. Step 3. Check all input LEDs. NC inputs safety devices must have their LED lit. No inputs controls must have their LED off. If not, check your wiring. The out input activates only when the opening limit switch or closing limit switch is deactivated. Step 4. Test each limit switch. Move the limit switch lever by hand. The corresponding LED on the control unit must turn off. Step 5. Release the gear motor. Move the gate leaf to the middle position. Then lock the gear motor again. Step 6. Very important. Check the gate moves in the correct direction. Send a short pulse to the SS input. The control unit must perform an opening movement first. The motor must also move in the opening direction. If the direction is wrong, disconnect power from the control unit. Rotate the motor power connector 180 degrees. Rotate the limit switch connector 180 degrees. Power up again. Repeat the direction check. Why this matters? If direction is wrong, safety devices will work only during opening. During closing, safety devices will be ignored. This can cause crushing or disaster. Step 7. Final check. The OK LED on the control serves to indicate the operating status of the latter. 1 regular flash every second means indicates that the internal microprocessor is active and ready to receive commands. 1 quick double flash means indicates when the microprocessor reads a variation in the operating status of an input, either of a control input or function dip switch. This occurs then the detected variation does not have immediate effects. 1 very quick flash lasting 3 seconds means indicates that the control unit has been powered up and is performing the test to check operating status. 1 flash at regular operating test has failed and that therefore a fault has been found.